Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of CalSR Tech. This is your host, Bill. Today, we're going to be going over Quartile, and we're going to start off with a really simple example here, and then we're going to go over and use our actual data. So, when you look at Quartile, we're going to be doing inclusive, which includes the minimum and maximum, which we've already done, but we're going to use that just as the reference here. The first quartile is the first 25%. The second quartile is the median, or 50%, and the third quartile is 75%, and the maximum, of course, is 100%. So in our little example here, we've got 1 through 9, and we know the minimum is going to be 1, but let's go ahead and look at that. So we go ahead and equals Quartile.inc. You can also click on it, and then parentheses, and we're going to drag all the way from 1 to 9, then a comma, then a 0 indicating the minimum value. We close it, we hit return, and there we go. It's a 1, which we know. So let's go ahead and highlight that orange. Now we want to know the first quartile. So equals Quartile.inc. Open it. Take all of our data again. This time, comma, 1 for first quartile. Close it. Hit return. We have 3. Now we go here and click on our 3, 2, and 3. We're going to make that yellow. So there we go. We've got our minimum, our first quartile. Let's do our second quartile. Equals Quartile.inc. Parentheses. Our data. This time second quartile, so we're going to do 2 median value. Bam. It's a 5. And just to check that, we'll go ahead and type in median. Open it. Select all of our data. Close it. There we go, 5, and it matches. The third quartile is equals Quartile.inc. Open it. Select everything. 3, close it, and there we go. Now our maximum value. Quartile.inc. 4, close it, and there we go. So let's go ahead and finish this up. So there's 5, there's our median, right in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and get that one too. Our third quartile is 7, so let's go ahead and select those 2, make those a blue. And our maximum here is purple. So look at that, fantastic, right? Split right in half, 75. There we go. So now let's go ahead and use it with our real data here. So just like here, we're going to go over here and go equals Quartile. Make sure you spell it right. .inc. Open it. Select our data. Type in 0 for the minimum value. Close it. There we go, 113. So as we know, 113 is definitely our minimum value. It's the smallest one on there. Our first quartile, 75%, Quartile.inc. Same data set. It's time 1 for our first quartile. Takes us to 120. There's a couple of those there. Second quartile here equals Quartile.inc. There we go. Close it. Once again, that should give us our median, and we can check that. Should be right in the middle. There we go, 190, and we can go ahead and check that here. We'll check it when we're done, and I'll show you what I mean by check it. Our third quartile. There we go, same thing. And now our maximum. Oops, wrong formula. Quartile.inc. It's going to give you the same information, but that's not the one we want to use today. Select it. Add 4 and close it. So there we go. So this is 196 for our third quartile. And our maximum, of course, is 230. So let's go ahead and check that median here real quick. That's a little too dark. Let's go with something a little bit lighter. There we go. So we came up with 190 as our median. So there's a median right here. Put an X right there. And let's check it here. 190. So if we look, there will be 6 items below and 6 above. Let's see here. 190, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 above. So let's go ahead and clear these out, and we'll go ahead and I'll show you what I mean. There we go. So that one's below, so we're going to go ahead and make blue anything that's below. 190, 120s, and there's the other 2. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's the third one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 above. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 below. So we can see that that median is correct. So here we go. That's how you go ahead and break it down into quartiles. So we have our minimum. Our first quartile is 120. So we're talking about 25%. Second quartile is about 50%. That's our median. Third quartile is about 75%. And then our maximum, of course, is 100%. Well, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want you to subscribe and visit the blog. You guys have a wonderful day.